In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Squarespace. We'll start right from a web search and walk through the exact clicks you need to reach the Squarespace domain tool. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Squarespace and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official Squarespace listing. It should clearly say Squarespace and display the secure padlock icon next to the URL in your browser once you click through. This simple check helps ensure you're on the legitimate site and keeps your account details safe. Once the Squarespace homepage loads, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click the profile icon. If you're already signed in, you'll see your account menu right away. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and enter your credentials so the rest of the navigation is available. Being signed in is important because it unlocks your account dashboard and settings, including your domain management area. After you're in, look for the main navigation that appears with your account options. Here, click on Domains. This takes you to the central place where Squarespace lets you manage existing domains and explore new ones. If you manage multiple sites, don't worry. This Domains section is designed to be a unified hub, so you can see everything domain-related without hunting through individual site settings. On the Domains page, find and click Get a Domain. This button opens Squarespace's domain search and checkout flow. Think of it as your starting gate for finding a professional web address. You'll land on a search screen where you can explore names and see available extensions. While we're not proceeding beyond the click in this walkthrough, here are a few quick pointers to make the next step smoother once you're there. Aim for something short, easy to spell, and aligned with your brand or purpose. Consider common extensions first, like .com or .org. And evaluate relevant alternatives if your first choice is taken. And keep an eye out for options like privacy protection and auto-renew, so you can safeguard your registration and avoid lapses. To recap, you searched for Squarespace on Google and opened the official site, clicked the profile icon to access your account, selected domains from your account navigation, and then clicked Get a Domain to open the domain search tool. With these clicks, you're exactly where you need to be to secure a clean, memorable web address for your project or business. Thanks for watching. If this helped you reach the domain tool confidently, you're ready to continue exploring names and make the choice that fits your goals.